Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to create a template in Asana. So let's have a look now. Open Asana and navigate to your workspace located in the left sidebar. From here, you can click on a new template or explore all templates. You can also use your ready-made templates. Let's click on Explore All Templates. Now you can create a blank project here or you can use Asana's carted templates. Scroll down and find the one you want to use. Choose one and click on Use Template. Write down your project name, then select Privacy, then after click on Create Project. So here you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.